Fine. Yes, Ira, what is the answer?
First minus 5
Okay.
plus 3
Hmm.
minus 3.
Okay.
So plus 5
Hmm.
plus 3 and again plus 3.
Okay.
11.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
which question is? You could do like this also. A becomes minus A. So here minus 5 becomes plus 5.
So that only she did, no?
Yeah,
Like
I am having doubt.
minus of minus become plus.
So why we are putting minus before the minus 5? The minus is already there, na?
Because here in this definition, ये जो लिखा है हमने, here they have one minus, okay? So that minus we have to write first, then we have to write our A. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
3 minus 1.
Sir, which question is this?
This was the question number 16, B part. I'm just changing the numbers.
Sir, I got the answer.
Please don't unmute and speak, okay? You keep your
Sir, I
eyes.
too got.
No need to.
Sir, I do got.
You may raise hand. That raise hand button is there for all of you. Let everybody solve. Should give 1 or 2 minutes. Three hashtag minus 1. Three raise hands I have. I can see Janvi, Harsh, and Santosh. Okay, Harsh, what is the answer?
So the answer is 1.
Minus 3, minus 1, minus 4, minus 3, minus 3, minus 1, plus 3, minus 3, plus 3, and the answer is
Sir, not understood.
what?
Sir, I am getting confused.
Understand.
Understood.
You can see here. अब यहाँ पे क्या देखिए 3 पॉजिटिव था है ना, तो 3 को as it is एक ही केस कर दिया आपने, so you got -3, fine, because there was only one minus. Then b is plus b, but our b is -1, so we return -1, and minus of -3 is +3. Okay, ready for the next one? A hashtag -1, 4, and 2.
Sir, I got.
Sir,
Yes, Aditi.
sir, that is 2 only positive.
Ah,
It is or it is negative.
yes. No, no, only positive 2. Keep your videos on. Let me feel like regular real class is going on. Huh? So आपका वीडियो ऑन रहता है, I can able to see you all, and I think okay, the students are studying here.
I'm a standard on the video. And you give first paper and
Nirmay, can you answer this question? Aditi got here. Good. Aditi, speak.
Sir, answer is 1
-4 plus 2.
plus 2 plus 3.
Okay. -4 plus 5 is 1. So it was actually from exemplar, and those who already done exemplar homework, they got benefit here. And now उनके आंसर्स करेक्ट हुए क्योंकि जिन्होंने already exemplar solve किया था, they able to do. Next one was, what was the cost of 27.5 meter of cloth? If the cost of 1 meter is 53.50. 1 meter cost 53.5. For more, we should know, we will multiply on years. अच्छा, यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम ये कि जो डेसिमल के लास्ट में जीरो है ना, उनको काउंट नहीं करेंगे तो भी चलता है। ये सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन का नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन था। In the B1 we have our speed, which is equal to distance upon time. 108.9 divided by 1.8. This was the division question. In the B part we have asked speed. Rai, can you answer division, Rai? Rai, unmute yourself, beta. I will help you. Yes, tell us how to do divide. Rai, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sir, wait a minute.
How? Just tell me what to do. I'm not asking solution. What to do here actually?
Sir, we have to divide it.
So can we divide directly?
What?
Can we divide directly? 1.8 से division आता है क्या आपको? Or you have to remove decimal? I think we have to remove decimal, okay? Rupali, Sahil Singh, anyone can answer? Pranati, Shruti.
0.05.
How you got? What you did? What is the first step?
So, sir, did it.
What?
So I divided it.
Directly divided.
May I tell the answer?
Narayan, you speak, Narayan.
Sir, first we will do reciprocal.
Okay.
Sir, we will do reciprocal.
So what is the fraction of 108.9?
10
108.9 divides.
divided by 18 by 10.
Fine. Next.
Sir, we will do reciprocal.
Okay. So now 108. In the next
Sir,
step, this divide will become
Papa लागते ना?
multiply. Okay.
yes. The answer is 60.5.
Fine. इसी बात को 18 से डिवाइड करना है.
Sir, 66 आया.
Good. So right, either we will do this method. कुछ स्टूडेंट जो फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं वो डिवीजन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. देखो अभी आपको ना हमको आगे एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर करेंगे, वहां पे डिवीजन आएगा. ठीक है. अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस में डिवीजन आएगा, लीनियर इक्वेशन में डिवीजन आएगा डेसिमल्स का. सो इट इज अ बेसिक स्किल. आप इस बात को समझिए. 8 9 10 सभी जगह पे आपको डिवीजन करना है डेसिमल्स का. सो प्रैक्टिस इट मोर एंड मोर. अगर आपको अभी भी नहीं समझ रहा है तो आस्क मी. Okay, so this is one of the method.
Yes, sir.
Another method is we just multiply by 10. Why? Because here is one decimal place. So it will become 1089 by 18. फिर सिर्फ 18 से आप डिवाइड कर दो. तो ये डेसिमल सभी को हटाना है.
Sir,
हाँ जी.
sir, I use that method now in exam.
Okay, good. भाई जो डेसिमल्स का डिवीजन है इसको बिल्कुल अच्छे से कर लीजिए आप सभी. Nine point 545 divided by 0.23. करिए. Last 10 minutes we have for today. Pushpam or Aryan, can you answer? Anyone?
So I have answered in chat.
One chat in chat. No, actually we have to remove the decimal. How we are removing and how we are removing. Okay, anyone new student is here? Sakshi raised hand. Yes, Sakshi, how to do it?
Sir, the denominator has 23, so we will multiply by 100.
Very good.
Sir, then our numerator will come 954.5 and by 23.
Okay, can you tell your friends how it become 954.5?
Sir, if we will multiply, so the point will come.
Yes, its fraction form is 1000, है ना? There are three places, 3 0, and we are multiplying by 100. So only 1 0 is left. That's why 954.5. तो ये प्रोडक्ट पहले
Yes.
समझ में आना चाहिए। तो ये कैसा है ना कि अगर हमको एक स्टेप समझ में आएगी तो ही हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे जा पाएंगे, है ना? तो पहले ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन सबको आना चाहिए कि भाई मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो है, अच्छा डेसिमल्स में मैं फिर आप सबको हिंट कर रहा हूं, अगर आपको नहीं समझ रहा जस्ट कन्वर्ट इट इनटू फ्रैक्शन। ओके, जैसे देखिए साक्षी ने मल्टीप्लाई किया, शी गॉट दिस। यस साक्षी, नेक्स्ट।
So then we will divide 23, 95 by 4. 92 by 4.
How many times?
So by 4 we will get 92.
Okay.
Then by 1. Then there is point, so we will take point. Then by 5 we will get 150.
Before using 5, what Sakshi did, she put point in the quotient. Okay, तो जब भी आपको डेसिमल के बाद का नंबर यूज करना है तो पहले क्या लगाना पड़ेगा? Point. So the number is 115.
Sir, then by 5.
Okay. So the answer is 41.5. Okay, this was the question of your एग्जाम also. देखिए ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि सभी को समझ में आ रहा है, ये चीज तो ना मुझे भी समझ में आता है, ठीक है? एज ए टीचर 32 स्टूडेंट्स हैं and nobody is speaking or nobody is asking, मतलब या तो मैं इसको ठीक से समझा नहीं पा रहा हूँ या फिर आप don't want to speak. प्लीज स्पीक। अगर किसी को इसमें कुछ पूछना है आप कभी पूछ सकते हैं।
Sir,
यस
we can write if the answer is coming in decimals, more than 10 numbers are coming after point, so we can write 3 numbers also.
हाँ, yes. If after point there are more numbers, it is going and going on, so we should take up to 3 places. Okay, remember this concept we will discuss in rational number. Okay, जब हम rational number पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें एक बार इस concept को देखेंगे।
So how 1000 came while you said we have to divide?
Actually, I was writing the fraction form of this 9.545. What is the fraction form? 954 by 1000, and we multiplied by 100. Why we multiplied by 100? Because in denominator we have only 2 places, है ना? So
Yes,
अगर
sir.
इसका fraction करते हैं तो it is 23 by 100. That's why we multiplied by 100, so the denominator become decimal free, है ना? In division of
So I divided by 100. That's why I got wrong.
Okay. So in decimals, our target is to make the denominator decimal free. अच्छा एक बार सभी अपना वीडियो ऑन करो and show me like this if you are getting division. किसी को पहले नहीं समझा था और अभी समझ में आया है, ऐसा है कोई? अरे अभी तो आप आपका वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं आई थिंक. ओके फाइन. बाकी सब सो गए लग रहा है. दिन में सभी को नींद आ जाती है. One of my college professor, he used to say drink tea and sit. Actually I am not drinking tea, but okay, I send attendance link. All of you submitted. Submit your attendance.
Sir, it's not opening for me.
I will put your attendance. Fine. For others, is it put opening?
Sir, I don't have my roll number.
What?
It's opening for me.
I don't have my roll number.
Fine, you leave roll number. Other than also you can put. Okay? Roll number will be class will tell, but you can put it up.
Sir,
Let's
done.
submit.
Sir, in mine it is not opening.
So you those
Sir, it is
it is not-
Submitted.
once you update your Google.
Sir, done.
Sir, submitted.
Okay. So what I will
Sir,
do
submitted.
here today are 4
Sir,
questions.
submitted.
Listen. 4 questions on homework app for division of decimals. So do the complete solution and submit. Fine. So thanks everyone. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind, sir.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind, sir.